Hello, kids! It's another wonderful day to learn. It's Teacher Bam again. For today, we will do an activity about the weather. But before that, let's have a review.
Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, windy.
It's activity time. Please get your materials about the weather, our science craft for today. Color each pictures with whatever color you like. We have the sun for sunny day. The snowy cloud and the snowflakes for snowy day. We have the blowing cloud for the windy day, the rainy cloud, and its raindrops for rainy day. We have little clouds and the cottony cloud for the cloudy day. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, and snowy. Great job! For another topic today, let's learn about the four seasons. What are the four seasons? Spring. In spring, it rains a lot. Birds start singing sweet songs. The weather is warm. You can see rainbows in the sky. The trees are blooming. Tiny buds appear on trees. Buds are followed by blossoms and leaves. The grass is growing. Plants begin to sprout. Flowers are blooming. Birds return in spring. Families enjoy a picnic in the spring sunshine. Summer. In summer, the weather is sunny and hot. People love spending time at the beach. Children love playing with beach toys and building sand castles. Fall or autumn. The weather begins to get colder. It rains a lot. You should take your umbrella. The wind is blowing. The leaves are falling from the trees and change from green to red, orange, yellow, or brown. Fall is a season of harvest. Fruits and vegetables are ripe. You can see lots of haystacks, mushrooms, sunflowers. Wheat is ripe and ready to harvest. Here comes the harvester. We harvest pumpkin, corn, grapes, apples, pears, walnuts, and plums. Acorns and chestnuts are ripe too. Squirrels love them. Winter. Winter is the coldest season of the year. Everything is covered in snow. Some animals like bears, hedgehogs, bats hibernate during winter. Snowflakes are falling on the ground. During winter season, children make snowballs. They are having fun building a snowman. The girl is ice skating. It's so fun! So, what are the 4 seasons? We have winter, summer, spring, and fall. Now, what's your favorite season? And that's all for today, kids. I hope you had fun. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.